Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send a PDF file from Google Drive directly through Gmail. So let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to open Gmail and start composing. And to do that, just go to your Gmail account by going to gmail.com. After that, enter your account credentials and log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I'm directed directly to my accounts dashboard. From here, click on the compose button right here. After that, enter in this section right here, enter the recipient's email address. And in the subject area, click enter the title for the subject. And in this area here, click you can leave a brief message for the view for the recipient. The second step is to attach the PDF file, and to do that, click on the Google Drive icon at the bottom of the compose window here. Now in the pop-up, locate your PDF file in Google Drive. Let's go to, this is the one right here, and click on it. Select it and choose whether to insert it as a drive link or attachment if size permits. After that, click on insert. As for the third step is to send the email. Check the attachment or link one last time, then click send. Before you do that, if you're sharing a link, you must go to the options of the PDF file, the sharing options right here, go back to your Google Drive and click on share. And right here, before you copy the link, select from this drop down menu anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can have access to your PDF. And after that, after you check it, click on send and the email with the PDF will be sent to your recipient. Easy, right? That's how you send a PDF file from Google Drive to Gmail. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next